Colossea by Italdesign and Audi is revolutionizing urban transportation with its futuristic, multi-purpose design. This cutting-edge vehicle, equipped with autonomous driving technology, seamlessly blends work and play in the city, offering a smooth and personalized travel experience through advanced AI and networking capabilities. What truly sets Colossea apart is its modular design, allowing it to dock with various structures, from residential to commercial buildings, thus expanding its functionality far beyond traditional transportation. Although still in its development phase with no official pricing yet, Colossea is expected to target the high-end market, promising a premium product enriched with superior technology and unique design features. Meet the Colossea Mega yacht, a revolutionary creation by Lazzarini Design Studio that seamlessly merges luxury sea cruising with airborne exploration. This extraordinary 699-foot yacht features a unique 347-foot detachable blimp called Norge 2.0, designed for aerial tours or even steering the yacht. With 3 HTS engines, the Colossea can cruise at speeds of up to 22 knots, while the carbon fiber airship reaches an impressive 165 kilometers per hour, offering 10 guest cabins for ultimate comfort. Honoring the legendary Norge airship, the first to cross the Antarctic ice cap, this modern marvel can carry a 10,000 kg payload and accommodate 24 passengers and 10 crew members, powered by 8 electric engines. Valued at nearly $1 billion, the Colossea stands as one of the most extravagant mega yachts ever designed, promising an unparalleled blend of opulence and innovation on both sea and sky. ZG-1, an innovative electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft from zero-gravity aircraft industries. The ZG-1 is a production model multicopter designed to carry 2 passengers with ease thanks to its autonomous piloting system. Its spherical fuselage and large windows offer an unparalleled flying experience, complemented by exceptionally comfortable seats with specially shaped armrests. Powered by 6 electric motors and propellers, the ZG-1 offers a smooth and efficient flight with a range of 30 kilometers, a cruising speed of 75 kilometers per hour, and a flight time of about 25 minutes. Safety is paramount, with several backup mechanisms and a ballistic parachute integrated into its carbon fiber composite design, making it both lightweight and sturdy. Its compact size allows for versatile landing options, including rooftops and parking lots, making the ZG-1 a groundbreaking solution for urban air mobility. Mercedes EQ Silver Arrow, a stunning concept car that masterfully blends classic design with cutting-edge engineering. Paying homage to the iconic 1937 Watt 125 Grand Prix racer, the EQ Silver Arrow features a gleaming carbon fiber exterior painted in silver, reminiscent of the original uncoated silver arrows designed to save weight. This concept car embodies Mercedes-Benz's pioneering spirit and speed-oriented innovation. Inside, opulence abounds with walnut wood adorned with black pinstripes, polished aluminum, and saddle brown leather. The driver is immersed in a panoramic screen that merges the car's legendary history with a futuristic vision, offering a virtual racing experience and a 3D projection of the environment. Although the EQ Silver Arrow is not for sale and has no published price, it stands as a testament to Mercedes-Benz's rich heritage and forward-thinking design. Romotow Prototype, a groundbreaking concept set to revolutionize the caravanning experience. This state-of-the-art travel trailer features a patented design that allows it to be effortlessly towed and then expanded into a spacious living area with just the touch of a button. By rotating the cabin away from the exterior shell, a deck is revealed, transforming into an indoor-outdoor living space that increases usable space by 70%. The Romotow offers an automated setup for hassle-free camping, combining classic design with high-end materials for a luxurious feel. The production model will be slightly longer to enhance storage capacity, but the interior remains practical and comfortable, ensuring travelers enjoy all the comforts of home. Perfect for those who love to travel without sacrificing convenience, the Romotow's patio serves as both an outdoor kitchen and dining area, making it a top-secret creation to watch out for in the world of mobile living. Hitachi Rail Regional Rock Train, also known as Caravaggio, a cutting-edge electric multiple unit designed for regional transit. This double-decker train showcases Hitachi's decades-long expertise in train manufacturing, contributing to over 700 passenger cars and 200 electric trains for the Italian rail network. The rock train stands out with its high-capacity design, capable of reaching speeds up to 160 kilometers per hour on electrified lines. It boasts state-of-the-art features such as Wi-Fi connectivity, energy-efficient LED lighting, video monitoring for passenger safety, and smart air conditioning systems. As a significant financial investment in regional transportation, the short configuration of the rock train is priced to reflect its advanced technology and superior design, promising a new standard in efficient and comfortable regional travel. HSP Magnavem, a groundbreaking hypersonic plane designed by industrial designer Oscar Vinyls, poised to revolutionize the future of aviation. This futuristic aircraft, named Magnavem or Big Bird in English, features state-of-the-art flying capabilities powered by a compact fusion reactor and multi-directional dielectric barrier discharge plasma actuators. With 500 seats spread across 2 levels, the Delta-shaped Magnavem offers a super tourist experience on the lower level and a premium voyage akin to a flying luxury cruise on the upper level. Capable of reaching speeds up to Mach 1.5, the Magnavem promises to drastically reduce travel times while maintaining a zero-emissions footprint. Though still in the conceptual stage, this innovative aircraft represents a significant financial investment, justified by its cutting-edge technology and luxurious onboard amenities. Buick Wildcat EV, a stunning concept car that paves the way for Buick's future electric vehicle lineup. This sleek 2-door coupe, unveiled in June 2022, evokes the iconic Wildcat cars of the 1950s while introducing a bold new design language for the brand. The Wildcat EV features a distinctive corporate tri-shield insignia with colorful swooshes and a redesigned capability to light up, adding to its futuristic appeal. Beyond its eye-catching exterior, this prototype integrates cutting-edge technologies such as aromatherapy, biometrics, and artificial intelligence, all aimed at enhancing the driving experience. For instance, the car can adjust its settings to create a calming atmosphere if it detects an increase in the driver's pulse rate. Contrary to what its name might suggest, the Wildcat EV is not an electric SUV, but a low-slung 2+2 coupe with a striking shark face front fascia. Hydrogen Hyperion XP1, a hypercar that embodies both speed and sustainability at the forefront of automotive innovation. With an astonishing 0 to 60 time of 2.2 seconds and a top speed of 221 miles per hour, the XP1 showcases the incredible capabilities of hydrogen power. Beyond its raw speed, this masterpiece features a carbon titanium monocoque chassis and a streamlined aerodynamic profile, combining aesthetics with practicality. Powered by a high-voltage fuel cell and axial flux motors, the XP1 not only drives but glides, demonstrating the future potential of environmentally friendly energy sources in the automotive sector. As a limited edition marvel priced at nearly $2 million, the Hyperion XP1 represents more than just a vehicle. It symbolizes the evolution of transportation, blending the past with an exciting future of sustainable luxury. Hypersting, a visionary nuclear-powered supersonic aircraft conceptualized by Oscar Vinyls. This cutting-edge plane is set to revolutionize aviation by slashing the journey time from London to New York to just 80 minutes. Capable of transporting between 330 to 170 passengers, At an astonishing speed of 2,664 miles per hour, nearly twice as fast as the Concorde, the Hypersting is a marvel of future engineering. With a wingspan of 169 feet and a length of 328 feet, this futuristic aircraft is powered by a central cold fusion nuclear reactor driving 2 ramjet engines and 4 hybrid turbojets. Although the production timeline extends beyond 2030 and remains theoretical, the Hypersting promises unparalleled efficiency, speed, and advanced technology. While the exact cost of this groundbreaking plane is still unknown, its innovative design clearly indicates a high price tag.